Hey everyone, it's Nicole and Blake at Fields Land Rover in Waukesha. Today we're going to be using the 2018 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. We're going to go over three main things. I'll be going over just your tailgate and everything basic about your tailgate.
I'll be going over the activity key. If you don't have an activity key with your car from the factory, go to your JAGUAR dealer and they can order one for you.
When you go to open your tailgate, the car can be locked or unlocked as long as you have the key in your pocket or your hand or even your purse, whatever works. To open it from the back, you're just going to press the rubber stopper in the middle of the car. Once it's open, you can actually lower this and raise it to whatever you want it to be. So to lower it, you're just going to pull it down and hold down this button until you hear a beep. And you know it's all set, and next time you go to open that trunk, it's going to stop at this height here. To raise it back up, you just push it back and you hold this button again. You heard that beep, so we know it's reset. To close it, you're just going to press that button. And then you're all set. You can also open and close it using the gesture tailgate option. To do this, you just make a kicking motion in the corner of the car. You can also close it doing the same thing. Go.
In order to use your activity key, you leave the main key inside the car, walk to the back, with the activity key on your wrist, hold it on the R on Rover. It's going to lock it and you can leave the car. When you come back to the car, in order to unlock it, you hit the trunk button first to give it power. Hold the key to the R, it's going to unlock, and you can go back in the car now.